Waterworld is an ancient Greek-themed water park located in Ayia Napa. Its theme is the gods of ancient Greece and the heroes of ancient legends. All attractions of the water park bear the names of the legendary heroes and gods of Olympus and are stylized according to some famous mythical events associated with them. The Fall of Icarus, labors of Heracles, the Trojan horse and Minotaur's Labyrinth, Poseidon, Aphrodite, Aeolus, and Odysseus. These and many other characters served as a source of ideas for the design of the water park. Before the construction of the Fasouri Water Park in Limassol, it was the largest water park in Cyprus, but here you will find slides that are not found in Limassol. The design of the park is complemented by scenery that is impressive in its scale, such as the ancient ruins, antique statues, columns, and fountains, which give the rest the atmosphere of a real ancient Greek adventure. Now we see a new kamikaze slide called Thunderbolt. This ride is definitely not for the faint-hearted.